you see.
Relative clause. A relative clause is one that's connected to the main clause of the sentence by a word such as who, whom, which, that, or whose.
Do you know how to use who, whom, which, that, and whose?
No, teacher. Could you tell me?
Sure, let's see. Who refers to a person as the verb subject. Whom refers to a person. Sometimes we use whom instead of who, when the relative pronoun is the object. Which refers to an animal or thing. That refers to a person, animal, or thing. The woman who came to the door left flowers for you. She finally visited the coffee shop that had such great reviews. I live in London, which has some fantastic parks. He apologized to the boy whose glasses got broken.
Wow, it's easier than I think.
Great! Now let's do the exercise. Fill the correct answer. Number 1. This is the bank. Was robbed yesterday.
I think the answer is which.
That correct. Number 2. A man. Mobile was ringing, did not know what to do.
I know, it whose.
That correct. The woman gave him the money was young.
It who.
That correct.
Before time up, warning, the relative pronoun is the subject of the clause. We do not repeat the subject. Last one, warning, the relative pronoun is the object of the clause. We do not repeat the object. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.